I'm out for a bit of a walk with the dog this morning in my local woodland, and I thought while I'm here I'll try and capture the last of the bluebells. I haven't really shot them this year, just haven't felt like it. And I've seen so many bluebell shots online, I'm just probably a bit tired of them, I think probably like a lot of people, but still, nonetheless they are beautiful, and I'd like to try and get a couple of shots this morning. It's probably going to be a short vlog because I'm a bit conscious filming with this absolute nutcase. So I'll do what I can and we'll see if we can grab a couple of shots, but yeah, just going to take a nice steady walk this morning with the crazy mutt and see what we can find. So condition wise this morning, as you can probably tell, we've got really flat light, don't really have any atmosphere, but actually in woodlands I don't mind this flat light. It gives you a sort of blank canvas when it comes to your edit. For the past few weeks it's been a bit of a struggle actually, with these bright blue skies and these real sort of harsh highlights cutting through the woodland scene when the sun rises. So actually this is quite welcome. Like I say, it gives you a bit of a clean sort of canvas when it comes to the edit. You can really start to use a bit of dodging and burning to your advantage, just to sort of brighten up and darken down areas that, you know, really look pleasing to the eye. And actually if you find a little bit like here, it's a bit more of an open canopy, and you see you've got a bit of a sort of dark bit there, you can get just a nice soft light filling in and just lighting up the side of the tree trunks, which can actually look really quite nice. So that's kind of what I'm looking for this morning. Now here's a bit messy if I'm honest with you, but I do know further down here there's a much nicer, cleaner bit of woodland which should be covered in bluebells. So let's go down there and have a look. Right, so the first shot of the morning in the bag. Quite a nice scene. And just what I was talking about there with open canopy, actually that's what we've got here. Quite a big open canopy above me, but then really quite dark in the distance there. Now I'm shooting this at about 150 mil, so I'm zoomed in right on this oak tree here, which has got some lovely sort of arms sort of hanging out, a bit like that. And one of these arms is sort of reaching across. There's another oak in the middle, and I think it's possibly a hawthorn on the left. And then pretty much the bottom third of the frame is just filled with bluebells. It's a nice scene, really nice scene. Just been really careful with the placement, obviously, of the trees in the scene. Just moved slightly left, slightly right, just to get a nice sort of clean shot. But I think it works really well. So yeah, good start to the morning. Now I should explain, all of the shots I'm taking this morning are handheld. For a simple reason, I don't want my dog knocking over a £3,000 camera. I have just taken another shot here. I had to up the ISO to ISO 2000, but that's not really an issue. I've took a shot which I'm going to call a Steve shot. It's the sort of shot I think Steve would take. And you've got these sort of fallen branches here. That's pretty much the bottom left hand of the frame. This oak in the background with a lovely sort of V shape to it, which I think is really kind of the star of the show here. A few of the bluebells in the background there as well. Shooting about 60 mil, and I'm just cutting it off on the right hand side here. Now there's a little bit of a compromise with this one because I couldn't quite get the separation on the trees on the right hand side, so there is a slight little bit of crossover, but it's not too bad. I think it looks really quite nice. Is anyone else's dog absolutely obsessed with these tree covers? Absolute nutter. So yeah, I think it's going to work out quite a nice shot. Definitely the sort of image that Steve would take, I'm pretty sure of it. But yeah, I'll put it on the screen and we'll crack on a bit further. And hopefully stop this dog eating these tree covers. taken another image here which is really quite spring looking. No bluebells, but we do have a wild cherry here. I think it's a wild cherry. It's got a lovely white sort of blossom on it. That's on the left hand side of the frame, and then you've got these oaks sort of leading off into the background over there with some nice separation between them. And then there's another oak, probably I think it looks like possibly a dead oak in the background, whereas there's a sort of break in the canopy. It's just light in that area, the seeing up quite nicely. And that balance of the sort of lighter shade on the right hand side of that dead oak and the wild cherry here, I think looks really, really quite nice. I'm not too keen with the floor. It's a bit messy. There's a lot of sort of holly bushes and stuff, but that's woodlands for you. I still think it's going to turn out to be a really nice image. Now I do love this time of year. I think I must have said it in previous videos. I actually think I prefer it to autumn. I love that new growth, that new life that you can only get in spring. And what I do like is the differences in shades of greens that you get. So just taking this oak here, you've got sort of like a nice lime green colour, but in the background it's much darker green. And when I'm doing spring woodland photography, that's one of the things I'm looking for, is that contrasting colour. Just adds a little bit of depth to a scene rather than sort of a very two-dimensional looking image. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. Oh, it's beautiful. And just the other thing as well, this time of year the birds sound absolutely amazing. They really do. Beautiful. Now I came and shot this scene a couple of weeks ago and the bluebells weren't quite at their best, and I think they're just starting to turn actually. But I do like to retake certain scenes under different conditions. Now obviously a couple of weeks have gone by, we've got a lot more foliage, lovely spring greens, some added little ferns in. This sweeping S-curve of a path that's just beautiful, just leads straight into the woodlands there. Spindly little branches on the oak coming off there, the twist on this younger oak here in the immediate foreground. It's just a lovely scene. So I have taken it, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. This one's getting a bit restless, but yeah, we're going to walk a bit further this way, and there's a lot more bluebells down there, so that's probably where we'll wrap up the morning. But for now, I'm going to put this on screen. Okay, so I've walked down a bit further and come across this scene here. Now, what I quite like here is there's like a sort of embankment. So you've got bluebells on this side and bluebells on the other side, and it's almost like a sort of undulating effect. Now in post, I'm already thinking about how I'm going to edit that. So what I'll probably do is darken down bits and lighten it up bits, just to give a bit more of a sort of 3D effect to that sort of rolling nature of the bank. The three main oak trees, these three here. Some lovely branches leaning across, some lovely spring greens, and yeah, it's just a nice scene. So pretty happy with this morning so far. Let's go and see if we can get maybe one or two more shots. Although I'm just trying to think. There's not much more in the way of bluebells over this way, but there might be over that way. So we'll take a little walk over there and see if there's one or two more shots we can get. lovely scene here, which I think Steve took earlier in the week, and he had lovely foggy conditions. His photo is far better than this is going to be. But it's lovely. You've got this oak here with this branch leading down, these lovely sort of real beautiful spring greens. Beautiful bluebells. As I say, this branch leading down here to these oaks on the right hand side. You've got one on the extreme right hand side, which has got sort of 3 trunks coming up, one in the middle with 2 trunks coming up. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, happy with this. So I think I'm going to sit here and just take 5 minutes and just take it all in. It's not always just about the photography. Sometimes it's nice just to come and sit down in the woods, listen to the birds, taking the beautiful sounds, beautiful smells, especially after, you know, what can sometimes be a tough week at work. It's just lovely to get out into nature and just enjoy it, even with a crazy dog. But yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed this morning. Always love getting out into the woodland. I hope you've enjoyed it too. I don't think I've got any amazing game-changing images. I certainly haven't, but it's not always about that, is it? Sometimes it's just about getting in the woodland, getting in nature, and just enjoying what you have to offer. So, if you have enjoyed this, why not smash that like button? And if you've really enjoyed it, it would really help my channel if you subscribe to it. And also, if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when I next put a video out. A bit of a short one this week, but yeah, it's just good to get out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.